Hello students, now we are going to see about the problem number 2 from linear block code. Consider a check bit equation C1, C2, C3. So 3 equation is given and from here we want to find the question number 1 generator matrix, question number 2 parity check matrix, question number 3 list all the code vectors, question number 4 error detection and correction, question number 5 decode received vector of above LPC linear block code. The bit is given 101100. So now the check bit equation is given. So from this one first we want to find the parity check matrix. So P. So C1, C2, C3 is given, so that in column wise we need to write the 1 1 1 and second column 1 1 0. D3 is not there, so that 0, and third column 1 0 1. Because D2 is not here, so that D1 is available, so 1, D2 is not there, 0, so third column D3 is here, so that it is a 1. So first parity check matrix P is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is a P matrix, and from this one we can find out the generator matrix. So G is equal to IK into parity check matrix. So we know the value of K, and from the given problem we can identify the value of K. So see here, this is a P matrix and we know the dimension of P matrix. It is that K cross Q. So K cross Q means it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So K value is 3, so Q value is 3. So IK equal to, it is a 3, so it is a 3 cross 3 matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. The parity matrix as it is we can write. So from this one we can found the generator matrix. Okay, next parity check matrix. Parity check matrix, it is in the form of P transpose into IQ. So P transpose, we know the value of P, so from this one we can find out the P transpose. So the row should be converted into column wise, so that the P matrix it is converted into column wise, so that first 1 1 1, so that 1 1 1 1 1 0, so 1 1 0 1 0 1, so 1 0 1. And identity matrix, so here K value 3 and Q value 3, so that it is a 3 cross 3 matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So now we found the parity check matrix H. So what is given in the problem C1 C2 C3. So D1 D2 D3, this is a message bits, D1 D2 D3, and C1 C2 C3, it's a check bits and weight of the code vector. And here it is a 2 power k equal to 3, so that it is a 8 bit, so that 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 2 up to 7. So first bit it is all, it is 0, so that the weight of C1 C2 C3 is 0, so weight of the code vector is also 0. Now we have taken the 0 0 1. So 0 0 1, now we can find out the value of C1, D1 0 plus D2 0 D3 1. So 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1, so C1 is 1. C2 C2 D1 0 D2 0, so 0 plus 0 0. And C3, so D1 0 and D3 1, so 0 plus 1 1. So like that we can find out the C1 C2 C3. Now from this one find out the weight of the code vector. Weight of the code vector means number of ones, so 1 1 1, so the weight of the code vector is 3. So like that we can find out for all the message vectors. So from this one we can find out the minimum distance D, so the value is 3. So the lowest bit is next to 0. The minimum distance should not be 0, so the next minimum value is 3, so D minimum equal to 3. From this one we can find out the error detection and correction. So D minimum equal to 3. From this one S equal to 2 and D minimum is 3. From this one we can find out the T value. So 2 errors are detected and 1 errors can be corrected. Now and this is the received vector, and so here only one bit is error, so we want to find which bit is the error. So from that one we can identify, so what is the bit is transmitted from the transmitted. We don't know the what is the bit is transmitted, so that transmitted bit is x. So now our aim is that here we are going to find the value of x. So to find the error bits, s is equal to y into h transpose. S means it is a syndrome vector that is equal to y into h transpose. Y, it is given in the problem, it is the received code vector 101100. H transpose we found, so h we found, so from that one h transpose we can easily write h transpose matrix, and from this matrix we can find out the value of s. So first row, first column, so 1 into 1, 1, so that 1 is here. Next plus 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1, fourth bit 1 into 1, 1, remaining all it is a 0, so that 0, 0. So next first row, second column, so that is in the row, and first row, third column, that is in the third row. Now we can write, so 1 plus 0, 0, sorry, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 0, so 1 plus 0, it is a 1, it is a XOR addition. So now 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So first bit is 1, and next bit 1. So no value is other than 1. So 1 plus 0, it is a 1. So third one, 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 0. So third bit is a 0. So imagine that it is in that one row. So here I don't have a space, so that I have written in that next line. So it is all in one rows. So 1 1 0. Now the error vector is found. Okay, error vector is found. So now how to find the error vector 1 1 0? In this 1 1 0, so we have to check the H transpose matrix. So 1 1 0. So here the same 1 1 0 is there, so that it is a second bit is the error. So this is the first bit, this is the second bit. So 1 1 0, it is in the same 1 1 0 in the H transpose. So that second bit is the error. So we can write the error bit 0. So 1 mean it is a second bit error means, so that it is a second bit is 1, remaining all it is a 0. Now this is we found error bits. So to obtain the correct vector x, so this is a transmitted vector. Our aim is that we want to find the correct vector x. So the received vector is given in the problem, error vector we found. So now add XOR addition, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. So this is the transmitted vector. Okay, so but we are received the 1 0 1 1 0 0. So one bit is error in the received vector. We found the second bit is the error. That is the aim of this problem. Thank you.